In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company logo to your Zoho profile. This task will help give your company a professional touch and make your profile easily identifiable with your brand. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Zoho Books, more precisely, the dashboard. If you're logged into Zoho, you can find this by opening the dashboard page. It's a hub for all your activities on Zoho and the starting point for personalizing your profile. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the icon or option labeled My Profile. This is usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on My Profile will lead you to a menu where you can access various user settings and personal information. Next, locate and click on the option named My Account. This step is crucial as it directs you to your account settings where you can customize and manage personal details including profile pictures or logos. Now that you're in the My Account section, direct your attention to your current profile picture. Click on it. Doing so should prompt an option to make changes, effectively allowing you to replace the existing image with a new one. After clicking on your profile picture, you'll see a prompt or button that says, Upload New. Click this button and this is where you'll begin the upload process. Ensure you have your company logo file ready on your device because the next step is to select and upload this file. With your logo ready, once you click Upload New, a File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate through your files, select the company logo you want to use, and confirm your choice. Remember, it's essential that the logo is clear and crisp for optimal presentation on your profile. Ideally, use images with high resolution and formats like PNG or JPEG. Finally, after choosing and uploading the logo, simply hit the Update button. This action confirms the changes you've made, refreshing your Zoho profile with your new company logo. Congrats! You've now successfully personalized your Zoho profile with a touch of your brand's identity, making it easier for clients and associates to connect with your company. By following these steps, you've not only made your profile more professional, but also enhanced brand recognition. Remember, keeping your profile updated and reflecting your brand aesthetic is crucial for maintaining a coherent online presence. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to revisit these instructions or consult Zoho's help resources for further assistance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made the process simple and clear for you. Enjoy having a profile that truly represents your company.